Hello all, my name is Doipan Datta. I'm an intern in Sparks Foundation. I'm doing my internship on data science and business analytics. Now I'm doing this project on global terrorism. It's an exploratory data analysis. So let's discuss. Now here I have just imported the data and I have imported a few libraries like NumPy, Pandas and Whites. Here the shape of the data gives it shows that it has 1,81,691 rows and 135 columns. Now there are many columns which has many NA values. So to avoid the NA values, I have eliminated those columns which has NA values greater than 40%. And after doing that, the total number of columns has been reduced to 58. So coming to the statistical data, the country with highest number of terrorist attack is Iran. The year of which showed the highest number of terrorist attack is 2014, and the region which faced the highest number of terrorist attack is Middle East and North Africa. Coming to the data visualization part, it will be divided into two segments. The first part is a static data visualization, and the second part is dynamic data visualization. Now coming to the static data visualization, this one shows the top 10 countries recording terrorist attack. It shows that the Iran, which is followed by Pakistan, followed by Afghanistan, and then India. Then the top 10 regions recording terrorist attack is Middle East, South Asia, South of America, Sub-Saharan Africa, and all. Now top 10 attacking modes. So this shows that bombing, armed assaults, assassination, hostage, and kidnapping, infrastructure attack, and all. These are the main modes of attacking. This shows that the how many attacks are faced by each region. As we have discussed earlier, Middle East faced the highest number of terrorist attacks. The figure shows 50,474. Now coming to the cross-tab data, this shows the region which face the attacks based on the years. As we can see here, the Middle East here and North Africa, this brown part is indicates that region. Now coming to the top 5 categories of properties that has been destroyed by terrorist attacks, it includes the first and the highest number of properties that has been destroyed by them are private properties and citizens, then military, then police, government, and business properties. The top coming to the top 5 terrorist groups, this shows unknown, which also may indicate that there are some gangs which are uh, gaining power at a very high pace, and they are attacking to fulfill their own demands. So it is better that the intelligence, the military, and the police should take quick actions against them. Then, which is followed by Taliban and Islamic states. Now, it must be kept in mind that these terrorist groups mainly operate based on their own areas, and they have own selected areas where they plan to attack. Then, this data shows the countries which face the highest number of attacks that lasted for more than 24 hours. So, Afghanistan experienced the highest number of such attacks, which has been followed by India, then Iraq, then Pakistan, then Colombia. The graph here shows the same. Now coming to the year which showed the faced highest number of attack, as I have discussed before, 2014, the highest number of people were killed. So if we draw the graph of top 10 top 10 years in which highest number of people were killed. So here, as you can see, 2014, which is followed by 2015, then 2016-17. Now coming to the dynamic data visualization, I have used the Plotly library here. See, this one works exactly like remarks in Excel. If you put the cursor here, it will show the details, like it's this group shows the Al Qaeda year 2011, sorry 2001. Then if I put here is the Islamic State year 2014, number of date is 1570. Then if I put it here again, I'm sorry, it's Al Qaeda in Iraq year 2007, number of date is 250. It's just like the remarks in Excel. Now coming to the next part, this is actually a animation which will show you the here the number of dates. It will change according to the year, and the color of the continents, see, is actually now showing the year and all, but it will change accordingly. Like if I play this one, it goes on changing, and here as you can see it keeps on moving, showing the years in which the accidents happened. So it will play like this. Let me just stop. See here, the numbers here are changing. If I play it again, see, the numbers here are changing and the colors accordingly are changing here. So this is a tree map I have created, and this is a code. It shows the region and the type of properties which are attacked. See, this is the government general property, military property, transportation and all. See, this is South Asia. Each of these are box, and it consists of plots which shows the area of which are the affected. See, these are also dynamic dashboards, and here if this one is small, you can just click here and it will give you the details. So that's all. Thank you.